Now next concept is interval as subsets of R. Okay, so let two numbers a b belongs to R and such that a is less than b. Okay, so then set of, suppose a set of all x such that x value greater than a and less than b, this set is called open interval and it is denoted by this bracket and a comma b. Okay, so all the points in between these points a and b will be included in this set. Okay, but a and b won't be there in the set. Open interval means, see here, x is greater than a but not equal to a, x is less than b but not equal to b. So this is the condition for open interval. Okay, whereas suppose AB belongs to R, A is less than B, and B set suppose of element X such that X is greater than equal to A and less than equal to B, then this is called as closed interval. Okay, and this is denoted by square bracket A comma B. So what does it indicate? All the numbers between A and B are there in this set, included A and B also. Okay, now we can have semi-open and semi-closed set also. See, for example, A, B. Okay, one bracket is of open interval, one is closed interval. What does it indicate? This indicate that it is a set of type such that x is greater than a but less than or equal to b. Similarly, we can have this set also, a comma close bracket and open bracket. What does it indicate? That it will have all element x such that x is greater than equal to a and less than b. Okay, now how we can represent these sets on a number line? For example, first one, that is a open interval a comma b. See, I will take a particular example, suppose 2 comma 3. Okay, so open interval says that the number in between 2 and 3 are there will be in this interval, but 2 and 3 won't be there. So all numbers in between, and this whole indicates that 2 and 3 won't be there. Okay, and for example close interval 2 comma 3, how we can make this one? How can we represent on a number line? So close interval means numbers between 2 and 3 will be there, and these two dots represent that 2 will be there also and 3 will be there. Okay, both boundary also we should include in close interval. So this is the representation of open interval, this is the representation of close interval. Let's take example of semi open semi closed. So suppose 2 comma 3 closed. Okay, so this time 2 number between 2 and 3, and this whole represent 2 is excluded and this dot represent 3 is included in between. Okay, and what about here? Fourth type, that means suppose close interval 2 and 3 half open, so that will be 2 in between numbers and 3 won't be there. Okay, so these are the representation of the intervals on real line. Let us take some examples of intervals. Suppose 1 minus 1 comma 5. Okay, how can you represent this in set builder form? This is what, since all the elements are there. Okay, so this is roster form of representation. How will you write in set builder form? X, it consists of all the element x such that x is greater than equal to minus 1 and less than equal to 5. Okay, so all the elements minus 1 to 5 and including minus 1 and 5 will be there in this particular closed interval, which is nothing but a set. Suppose minus 1 comma 5, so that will be x, where x is greater than minus 1, less than equal to 5. Now here 0 will be there, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, other rational number, irrational numbers, all numbers will be there in between. Okay, 0 0.11, 0 0.12, 1.12, but till 4.9, 5 also, because it is there 5. Okay, and here it will be minus 0.99, but it won't be equal to minus 1 because equal to sign is not there. And similarly, if you take example of open interval minus 1 comma 5, so it can be written as x such that x is less than 5 and greater than minus 1, and in this particular set minus 1 and 5 will be excluded from the set.